everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make sprouted black eyed peas salad. First we will look at ingredients. Take 2 cups of sprouted black eyed peas, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, coriander leaves. Take 1 cup of sweet corn, lemon, salt. Let's prepare this delicious salad. Take 2 cups of sprouted black eyed peas. This contains good protein and fiber. Sprouting increases the level of minerals, vitamins, and especially vitamin D. Now let's add other ingredients. Add 1 chopped tomato, chopped onion, green chilies, salt, 1 cup of sweet corn, few drops of lemon, and finally garnish with coriander leaves. Now our salad is ready. Let's taste it. Yummy, tasty. This helps in heart health and assists in weight loss. The sprouted black eyed peas salad is very easy, tasty and healthy. You also try at your home and let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.